Welcome! If you want to show the pages you follow on Facebook using the app on your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step so you can make your followed pages visible to everyone or just the people you choose. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control everything about your Facebook experience. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Followers and Public Content. Click on it. This is where you can manage who sees the people, pages, and lists that you follow on Facebook. Look for the option that says Who can see the people, pages, and lists that you follow. Click on it. You'll see a few choices, like Only Me, Friends, or Public. If you want everyone to see the pages you follow, choose Public. If you prefer only your friends or a custom group to see your followed pages, you can select those options instead. Once you've made your choice, click Done to save your changes. That's it. Now your Facebook profile will display the pages you follow according to your new privacy settings. This update makes it easier than ever to control who can view your activity on Facebook. Whether you want to share your interests with the world or keep them private, you now have full control. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite social media apps. See you in the next video.